Hello everyone, welcome back to TechWa. Today we are gonna see superb amazing technologies which brings fantastic changes in our lives. Before that, if you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, I request you all to subscribe now so that you will get all our upcoming videos as a notification. Okay, now let us move on to the topic.
Introducing the NANO GARDEN. The easiest way to grow a wide range of plants at home all year round in a lovely tiny object that will fit anywhere in your home. Many of us want to have more plants indoors. They boost our moods and add life to any home decor. But it's not easy. We overwater, underwater, don't give them the correct light, nor the appropriate plant food. So that's why we have developed the NANO GARDEN. The NANO GARDEN is made up of 3 elements: the plant pod, the pot, and the light. Your plant floats on water. It sprouts from a compostable pod that contains everything: seeds, of course, and the perfect nutrients and growth medium. The roots dig in for water. Our hydroponic design renews the oxygen by the convection flow of fresh air. And you? Simply top up with water every 2 to 4 weeks. The grow light turns on automatically in the morning and turns off in the evening. It provides a full spectrum light that is fine-tuned for plants and also enjoyable for your everyday ambient lighting. It's app-enabled. Select your current plant, connect the light via Bluetooth, and the light intensity and duration will adapt automatically to the plant. You can grow a range of more than 50 plants, from flowers and decorative plants to fresh herbs, lettuce, and veggies. Say hi to basil, kale, mini tomatoes, sunflowers, and even strawberries. All in one plant pods, automatic watering, and a smart grow light. Voila! The perfect recipe for a stress-free and joyful growth experience. Our inspiration came from the timeless terracotta planter that we all have at home, and we gave it a modern twist. We designed a rich textured pot with a warm terracotta color, highlighted by a circular metal lamp which is guided by a discrete metal light structure. The pot comes in several colors, ranging from an earthy terracotta and natural sandstone to a more vibrant green and gentle pink. Finally, we made sure that the design is versatile. The light arm is removable and can be relocated in another pot. So whether you want to bring a green touch to your living room, or a relaxing atmosphere in your home office, or jazz up your daily meals with fresh mint and basil, or even revive your favorite plant, the NANO GARDEN is here to bring life and light to your everyday living. We need your help to get it to your home. So back us today and spread the word. Merci.